Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today, inshallah, Junior 2, we will complete our lessons with Chapter 2, Lesson 1. Helping my habitat. What's the meaning of habitat here, Junior 2? Habitat equal the environment or the place where we live. We have different places. We have different environment. Okay, we live in it. Like, we have people live in places or environment contain plants, farmers plant different kinds of plants. Okay, animals help in harvesting the plants. Okay, so this is a kind of environment or places that or where we live. Okay, others or other places, other environment like places or environment has many cars, factories, buildings. Okay, and others or other environment like people that live in or beside water, sea, river. Okay, I will talk about each one of them in details, Junior 2. But first, you understand the meaning of habitat? Yes, habitat equal the environment where we live. We live in country or we live in desert. We live in a place contain or has plants, trees, farms. Okay, yes. Let's complete about this part. Okay, live in environment. Environment here, Junior 2, equal the surrounding word here equal around us. Around us. The environment, everything around us. The conditions around us. We live where? So environment equal the place around us. The place where we live. Okay? We live where? In country, in farm, in a place beside river or sea, as I said before. Okay? So environment is surrounding or conditions in which a person, animal, or plant live. Again, environment, the place around us where we live. Again, environment, the place surrounding us where we live. As you can see in the picture, here we have a place. This picture, place or environment contain trees and plants. Okay. Another one here. This place contain the bus, cars, streets. Okay. Yes. The types of Egypt environments. We have different kinds of environments in Egypt. Right or wrong? Yes, of course, right. How? We have desert environment in Egypt. We have desert. What's the meaning of desert? Desert place contain sand, contain mountains, contain rocks, contain animals like camel. You know camel? Yes, as you can see here in this picture. So the desert environment is a place, as I said before, contain sand, contain animals like camel, contain mountains, rocks, and so on. Okay? And desert plants also, plants that live only in desert. While we have other environments in Egypt, which is called farmland. Farmland environment. Farmland means what? Farmland here means place that contain trees. As you can see in the picture here, trees, plants, or crops. okay, that the farmer harvests it, okay, and here we have farmers, you know, farmer, man who plant the different kinds of crops or plants in the soil, okay. So here we have also animals that help in harvesting the plants. So this environment kind is called farmland. Who can remember me with the first one? Yes, excellent. Desert environment. The second one is farmland. Number three, we have also country environment. Country is a place, country environment is a place has many cars and the bus and bicycle, for example, in the street, factories, has many buildings, okay. I can see in the country many buildings, factories, cars, okay, means of transport, cars or means of transport that like car or bus or bicycle, okay, we can use it to go from one place to another place. Yes, let's complete. I have here a point, which is people are part from the environment. Of course, there is no environment without people. People are part from the environment. We have here people live in this environment and in farmland and in country. So people are, yes, excellent, Junior. Two people are part of or from the environment. Okay. So again, what are the types or kinds? This word types equal kind, kinds of uh, environment in Egypt. We have desert, farmland, and country. Desert, farmland, and country. Okay? Yes. So this is the different environment in our country, Egypt. Okay? Also in the environment junior 2 we can see animals, right? We can see plants, natural. What is the meaning of natural here? Like the sea, made by Allah, made by Allah, yes. And also the moon, the sun, all of them made by Allah. While human made object, like what? Let's see. Like the bicycle, like the windmill, this tool or this device that produce electricity, we use it to operate machines. Yes, this bottle, all these objects are human made. Human made. Human made equal objects that man make it. While natural things or natural objects made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, junior 2, my dear. Yes, let's talk about our story here. We will read our story. Okay, and here we have page 119. Write the date of today. Okay, today is 17 dash 12 2020. 17 dash 12 dash 2020. Don't forget to write the date on this page, please. Okay. Let's read together the story, Junior 2. Our story here about the lake. The lake. Okay, the lake equal sea, but very small. Okay, small amount of water. Small amount of water called lake. So the lake, also lake is natural, not made by man. It's made by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, but the difference between the lake and the sea is very big, while the lake small amount of water, also like the sea, but small. Okay, let's read together this story about the lake. Read the story. Use the description to draw a picture of what you see in your mind. Okay, we will start our reading here. The lake sits at the base of the mountains. What is the meaning of that? You know the first word mountain? Yes. Here we have mountains. Mountains here. And the lake sits at the base of the mountain. What's the meaning of the base? Base here, if I have an object here by this way, the bottom part of this object equal its base. Down, the bottom part. Okay, so here the mountains up and the lake here down. Okay, Junior 2, the lake down. So again, the lake sits at the base of mountains. The base of mountains. So the lake down and the mountains up, as you can see here in this picture. We can color it also. Yes, this is the lake and the mountain here. Mountain here. Okay? Yes. The mountains are covered with large trees. The mountain here we have trees. Okay. Here we have some trees cover the mountains. So again, we have some trees cover the mountain here. Yes. Okay, so we have the mountains are covered with large trees. Large trees. Okay, some of these trees are hidden in the shadow. Are hidden in the shadow. You remember what we said before about the shadow? The shadow of a tree or the shadow of your hand in front of a light source? Yes, when you put a light source in front of your hand and look to screen in front of your hand or the wall. So your hand will be between the wall and the light source. You remember what will be formed on the wall? Yes, a shadow of your hand will be formed on the wall. So the meaning of shadow here, we remember it, the meaning of the word shadow. So again, my sentence is, some trees are hidden in the shadow. Some trees, okay, has a shadow, some trees, have shadow on it. So it colored with dark color, dark green, because there is no light from the sun fall on it. So it appears with dark green. It appears with, this tree will appears with what? Dark green. color. Okay? And the others have darker branches and bright green leaves. The light of the sun fall on it, make its color light green. Light what, Junior 2? Light green. I have here light green where? Yes. Excellent. Light green here. Light green leaves. So you can see the difference between the two colors? Yes, this is what? This is dark green. And this is what? This is light green. Okay, why we have here dark green on the trees and bright green leaves? Because here, with a simple mean, a shadow on the tree. There is no light fall on the tree so that we can see its color dark. Dark. While here we have light from the sun fall on this tree, so we can see the color of its leaves bright. Okay, I can see its color what? Bright. Okay, so let's complete our reading. The other trees have darker branches and bright green leaves. And then I will start from here. The lake shines blue in the sunlight. This lake, Junior 2, this lake, this is the lake, okay, shines bright in the sunlight. Its color is blue. The color of its water is blue. Right? The color of its water is what? Is blue. And it will be shiny. You know the meaning of shiny? Yes, shiny like the gold. You know the gold? The golden ring that your mom wear it? Yes, gold. Very shiny. Bright. It has light produced from it. Okay? Yes. So here the lake it appears shiny, very shiny. It's color blue and shiny because we have sunlight here. So the lake appears shiny in blue color in the sunlight. Okay, and the water appears like the glass. You know the glass of the window? Yes, now look at the window at your room. Yes, excellent. You can see the glass of the window, right? Yes. Okay, Junior 2. The lake water here, the water of the lake here appears like the glass. It shines blue like the glass. And also we have yellow and red flowers bloom in the long grasses along the shore of the lake. We have also some flowers here, red and yellow, around the shore, the edge of the lake, the shore of the lake. Okay, I want you, Junior, to please, for me, write the date of this day, 17-12, on this page that start with the title Lake or the Lake. Write the date. I want you to write the date and then draw a picture from your mind, like this picture. Draw here mountains and color it. And draw lake. This is the mountain. Okay, mountains here. And draw a lake and color it. And also draw trees with dark green and light or bright green. And also please draw for me some flowers with yellow colors and red colors. Okay, red color with yellow color. Draw these flowers, please, Junior 2, in this picture. Okay? Yes. Let's complete. our Egyptian environment. Okay, the next page in this lesson, our environment in Egypt, our Egyptian environments, our Egyptian environments. Okay, yes, my dear, let's complete. Compare the different environments. Wait, I will make here like this. Yes, compare the different environments in Egypt. You can see the pictures. Yes, here we can see what? Water, right? Or sea, river, right? Yes, and here Junior 2, who can tell me? The second picture here, we can see what? Yes, excellent. We can see desert, desert, right? I can see sand here and rocks. Yes, and this one, we can see the street that has many cars. We can see many buildings. So we have here different kinds of environment. Who can remember me? What is the first kind? What is the first kind? Yes, that contain water. Yes, excellent. It is called what, Junior 2? I can hear you. Farmland, farmland that contain river, sea, trees, plants, sailboat. Okay? Yes, excellent. Excellent, Junior 2. So here, right? Farmland, farmland. Please, Junior 2, write for me. Farmland. Only this word. Farmland. Only this word. Farmland. Okay? And then what's the name of this environment? You remember? Yes, excellent. It is called desert. It's called desert. Desert contain, as I said before, sand, mountains, desert plants, like this plant, this small plant. Okay? Yes, that grow in the desert. So right beside this picture, desert. Yes, excellent. And then we have country. Excellent. Country. Country that contain road, streets, cars, buildings, factories. So right here, country. In this page, Junior 2, you will write beside each picture its type or its a name. Farmland, desert, country. Okay? Yes, let's complete. Next page, write the date of today also, please. Yes. Think about your own definition for a new word. Complete the chart. Okay. We have learned what, Junior 2, in this lesson. We talked about what? Excellent. The environment. The environment. So our word here is environment. Vocabulary word here is environment. So write environment. Environment. Excellent. Let's complete. Can you define it? Define, miss. What's the meaning of define? Definition. Your definition. This word equal what? Definition. Definition here, Junior 2. This word means what? The definition equal. This word means what? Its meaning. Okay? So your definition for the environment will be, yes, excellent. The surrounding or conditions in which a person, animal, or plant live. So you will write this in your book. Illustration here beside it, I will draw. I will draw. Okay? You will draw anything here about the environment, Junior 2. You can draw desert, environment, mountain, sand in it. You can draw also farmland. You can draw a place contain or has many trees and farmers and animals. Also, you can draw a country, buildings and cars in the road. Okay, so in this space illustration, I will draw any kind of environments, farmland, country, or desert. Any one of these environments. Okay? Yes. Let's complete. I will use this word and put it in a sentence. Again, I will use environment word and put it in a sentence. Sentence using the vocabulary word. You can put environment in a sentence? Yes, I can. There are many types of environment in Egypt. There are many types of environment in Egypt. This is a sentence, okay, group of words together. This is a sentence contain the vocabulary word for today, which is environment. Environment, the place where we live. Okay, Junior 2, my dear. Okay, please write on your book. Okay, and don't forget that. And if you have any question, we will discuss it on Sunday, inshallah. Thank you for your watching.